All right, people, welcome back. My name is flockersdesign, and today we have an exciting video. Today we have a requested video, and today we are gonna have fun. So today we're gonna show off a widget, or not a widget, a action that I made for StreamerBot for all your automated junkies like me. Um, so a year ago, I made a auto shoutout command that will mean that when someone comes in or rates you or says something in the for the first time in the day, they will be automatically shouted out if they're added as a person in that specific action. In this case, in the previous case. So in a year ago, I made the same exact action, only different. A year ago, I made it way more complicated. It was way more work, especially if you're a bigger streamer. It can take a lot of work. Um, because back then we made a separate action for every single user. So that was just a pain in the ass, right? So now what have I done? I have recreated this widget, this action on kind of request, I think. Yeah, maybe, yeah, because there was a good friend of mine that had an issue with his being broken. So this guy is called Polaris Outlaw. I will leave his link down in the description below. Um, so yeah, he had issues with his stream. Um, that for somehow his auto shutter broke. So he asked me, "Hey, can you give me yours?" And instead of doing that, because he's bigger than me, right? So instead of doing that, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make a new one to make it easier for you. So what I have done now is I made a automated shoutout command. I recorded this video twice, so if I'm speeding through it, that's probably why, because I figured out twice during the video, both ones that I fucked something up and I had to fix it. Um, so yeah. Um, the first video, it didn't print anymore in the JSON file that I needed to fix because I fucked up. And the second video is where I wanted to add a second person. It added my own name. So I needed to fix that in the C# code because I was targeting the wrong person. I was targeting the user that typed it in and not the user that you're willing to put in. So I had to fix that. So we did that. Um, but okay, so it's working now. So this one also has the option to add users with a command and remove users also with a command. Let me go over to my screen over here and I'll show you what is going on. All right, so we have StreamerBot on the right, we have our chat on the left, and our JSON file on the left. So this is the JSON file is the one where all your users will be listed. So you can see it is empty right now for me for a purpose, of course. And then we have the auto shoutout right about here. So we have the auto shoutout. This one will, let me get it over here. This one will check um, if you're indeed in the list. If you are in the list, it will do the shout out. So it's kind of the same way as we did the last year, only instead of me doing, let me show you. So last time we did it like this, logic, and then if else, if the username is equal, so let's say we did it like this, if user, right, is equal to, if it's equal to Flocker's design, then we do the shout out. So now you have to do this for every single person you wanted to add. Yeah, that's not what we want to do now, right? No. So instead, this code will do that for us. This is, of course, going to do it all for you. Now, of course, this is the part where you have to put in your file um, directory for the file path. So if you're installing it on your own, you do want to open the executable code, but I will make sure there are comments above to show you what you need to do. All you have to do is pinpoint your direction here, but I think that is self-explanatory and everyone kind of knows how to do that. So that is almost with every execute code. It's all the same file. So yeah, I'll show more about that later on in the video. I would try not to make the video too long. Right? So that is this. Then this is the command function to add a new person to the list. And this is to remove a person from that list. So the list is now empty. So what if, let me make sure I have it reset it. There you go. What if I now to say like, hello, right? Hello. Nothing is going to happen. You see, nothing is happening. But what if now I say like, oh, well, I can do that again. But I say like, all right, you know what? Let me do it again. So that one just automatically resets. ODD, fine. So yeah, nothing happens. Okay, so now I want to add myself to the shadow, right? All right, so we're gonna do exclamation mark add SO for add SO shoutout, and then I'm gonna add my name to it, and then it will say edit flocker design to the AVSO list of the or advanced shoutout list, and you can see it adds me. Now, the right away, before I do anything else, I am going to check if it works this time, so I don't have to redo it. And then I'm gonna do add SO a friend of mine. I'm gonna add that one too, because this is where I had the problem. It added myself in again instead of this person. So now, there we go. You can see it is now adding the different person into the list, as you can see above, right there. So that's great. So now we're gonna reset. So we have resetted this, the shoutout command, right? Now when I say hello, it is shouting me out. Now I may have to change the links. No, the links work perfectly the way they should be. Awesome. So it's that simple. Now I ban myself, let's say, yeah, or I ban someone and I don't want him in the list anymore. Of course, it's first word, so it won't matter because he can't do anything. But I just completely want to forget about this idiot called Flocker Design. Fine, we can make that work right away. So instead, we're gonna do exclamation mark, remove SO, take this ugly fucker's name, hit enter, and gone. Remove Flocker Design from the advanced shoutout list. There you go. Now, if that happens and I reset, if everything went well and I do hello, what normally would not be possible, of course, there you go. Nothing is happening. Now, of course, you can also tie this right away to a ban command. So if you ban someone, it will do it automatically for you. This is, however, a function I am going to add in. Of course, not yet, but this is a function I'm going to add. This version that is here right away, you can get from my Discord, link in the description. It will not be on my Ko-fi yet. Only the full version will be on my Ko-fi. Yeah, I guess that is all I can say. Now, I do want to give you some pinpointers if you do decide to get it. Again, it will also be explained on the Discord on what you need to do, and I will make some more clearer pointers here. So let's say I have this one downloaded, and I have this one. Now, I have it in my developer folder with all my coming soon, by the way. But with all my widgets, or maybe you have it in your assets folder for stream, what you probably would have. Then how am I going to make sure it's going to work? Right. Well, this one will, of course, contain your user folder. It will also, in this case, I will already add it in streamer but import. So of course, this will be your folder with the import here and your user.json file. All right, so get this in the location where you want to keep it. So I always personally have it in um, a asset folder inside my OBS where I have all my crap. Um, so that is where you want to put it. Once you have that done, just open it, of course. And we all know how to import, so I don't have to show you how to do that. All you have to do is go through all these three actions, open the execute code, and then all you want to do is take this directory right here, just this part, go over here, and before this slash right here, you want to remove this part and change that with your location. Now for me, of course, it's the exact same location. This is how you want to keep it. All you have to do is that. Compile. If there are any errors when pressing on compile, go down on Discord and give me a ping and I will help you out. And you want to do this for all the settings, um, for all the execute code parts. That is where you want to do it. Once you have that done, you may want to check your commands because they're probably um, disabled by default. So all you want to do is make sure you have them enabled and then you are good to go. I hope this made sense. I hope this helped. And I hope you guys all enjoy this new widget. Now, again, this chat widget you see here under the chat is coming soon. Although that one specifically is not coming soon because that one is going to be thrown away and be replaced. For now, it is the same one as the one over here, but I made one specifically for the scenes with webcams on the game scene, so you don't get, let me go back, so you don't get this, that the chat, this doesn't look right, right? It just doesn't look right. So I made this, the exact same widget, only a one line version, so it's literally one bubble that will be the chat. So it will be the exact same as this one. But yeah, that will be coming soon. And my notifications will also be coming soon. There is a short on my, I can show you guys. Hold on. Let me open Discord here real quick. Let me go here to show off. Here you go. Let me go here. Yes, and this is my alert widget that will also be coming really soon. So stay tuned for that if you want to see those. With that being said, guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, that it helped. If there are any issues, don't be afraid to drop into the Discord and say hello, first of all. Second of all, get your stuff over there. And third of all, ask for help if you have to. With that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. And I will see you in the next video. And hopefully I get the next update out pretty quick. And then get it on Ko-fi for everyone that doesn't want to join the Discord and just wants to get it from Ko-fi. But yeah, be sure to get it from Discord because if you're in the Discord, you have a way to add your own stuff in. So if you're like, hey, but what if I want this one into it? Let me know and I see if I can implement it into the full release. And of course, you will get the credits for that. Again, with that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoyed and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.